Hey, it's Jay from Jay Taking Tips back with another video. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be trying to show you different places, the 5 best places to place your wireless mic. Now, for me, I think ideally that this is probably the most ideal. Well, it's the best way. Now we're going to be trying 5 different ways um, with the mic, so you can tell me by listening to it which one do you think sounds the best. Now I'm pretty sure that this one is going to sound the best because the mic is right in front of my mouth, and this is probably one of the better ways. Okay, this is one way. So two, this is probably the most common way. Now we're going to try to get this hooked up. Let's see. This is the most common. This one, right in the chest. You'll see a lot of people with that. If you have a button-up shirt or shirt like this is probably the most common way. But this, you're not getting the full effect of your voice on this one, on this way. So tell me what you think. You guys, we're going through we want to do 5 different ways. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right. So that was number 2. So number 3. Now number 3 might be something that's not available for everyone, but it's something to think about. We're going to hook these up to my glasses. Now, all right. Now, looks kind of awkward. However, this is still closer to my mouth than, and the direction that I'm speaking is going more directly into the mic. Let me know you're listening to these so you can tell me which one do you think sounds better. Now, granted, this isn't the best quality mic that you could get, so that might have something to do with it. But nevertheless, the mic is um, fulfilling the purpose that we need it for. So this is this is number 3. This is another way that you can have it. Okay, so let's take that off. If you have a hat, here's another way. And this one is a little less obscure. It's not really, you can't really see it as much as you could on the glasses. But here's another way. Without you having to actually hold the mic. So that's number 4. That's the 4th way. And then here's number 5. A little bit longer with this one so you get a better judge of how it sounds. And then number 5, this is also a pretty popular way. This is one of the better ways. I think this is probably the second best to the to hold the mic like this. This is probably to me the second best way. Make sure I turn this right. This one turn is right here. Having your mic right here. And if you can, have it facing straight up. This one is probably I think the second best way um, to get the best sound quality out of your mic. Now, you can let me know. Now, if you go back, you can pause the video and rewind and go back and listen to the all 5 different ways and tell me which one you think is the best. I think that this one is probably more, probably a lot this better for most people. Everyone doesn't wear glasses. Everyone doesn't wear a hat. And not everyone, a lot of times you're doing things with your hands and you're not able to hold the mic in your hands. So this would probably be your best way. A lot of people don't like the mic because they don't like it to be seen. They try to have it more obscure. So you can get the little, see the little button. I forgot the name. Let me see the name of the company. Can't find it. Let me see. Give me 1 second. Lark. I think that was it. DJ Mike. Just give me 1 second, and you can listen to how the sound. Yeah, the Lark A1 or the Lark. Not that one. The Lark M2. That's the one that's really popular right now, and it's like a little button, and you can put it right there, so you really can't even see it. Now that's a better quality mic than obviously than this one is, so you'll be able to use that one. And having that one somewhere on your chest, it's still going to pick up very well because it's a better quality mic. But for these mics, these little inexpensive mics like this, I think right here, or holding a mic right here when you're talking, is a lot better. So hey guys, if this video came across your page, go ahead and give me a subscription if you don't mind. It's free, doesn't cost anything. Or just leave me a like or leave me a comment down below. You don't have to subscribe. Just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video, what you think about the mic. I will try to leave a check out one of my other videos where I did unbox this mic, show you where I got it at. I think this one I believe I got it off of Temu. Very inexpensive, but for what I needed for, it gets the job done. So hey guys, thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.